Lexus, a brand synonymous with luxury and innovative technology, is ready to redefine the crossover market with its latest offering, the 2024 Lexus LBX. Built around the principles of Lexus electrified vision, the LBX promises to combine the dynamism and elegance of a coupe with the robustness and functionality of an SUV, bringing a new level of sophistication to the compact crossover segment. From the onset, the Lexus LBX draws you in with its bold, distinctive exterior that perfectly encapsulates the cross-create design concept. It embodies an aggressive stance with features like the signature spindle grille, flanked by sharp, sophisticated headlamps, and the sporty coupe-like roofline. Its compact dimensions make it perfect for both city driving and weekend getaways, all while offering a surprisingly spacious interior. The LBX is powered by a 1.5-liter three-cylinder petrol engine coupled with an electronic continuously variable transmission, producing a total system output of 136 horsepower. Despite its eco-conscious design, the LBX doesn't compromise on performance. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 9.2 seconds, offering a nimble and responsive driving experience. Step inside the LBX and you're welcomed by a uniquely designed cabin that wraps around the front seat occupants, creating an expansive yet encompassing feel. The large multimedia touchscreen is cleverly integrated into the center console, which also houses storage points, USB ports, and cup holders. A significant highlight is the rear seating arrangement, slightly higher than the front seats, ensuring a good view for all passengers. The Lexus Bespoke Build service offers a more personalized look for owners who wish to distinguish their LBX. This includes customization of the seatbelt colors, upholstery embroidery patterns, stitching color, and trim ornamentation. This level of personalization allows every Lexus LBX to be uniquely crafted to its driver's taste, ensuring an ownership experience like no other. Lexus hasn't just focused on performance and design. Technology is at the heart of the LBX experience. The car features the latest Lexus Link Connect system, a 9.8-inch touchscreen that provides cloud-based navigation and real-time traffic information. It also integrates popular systems like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A significant addition is the Hey Lexus onboard assistant, which responds to voice commands from the driver and front passenger. In line with the brand's focus on offering unique customer experiences, the LBX is available in 4 distinct atmospheres or trim levels: elegant, relax, emotion, and cool. Each model atmosphere has been designed with a specific type of customer in mind, offering tailored aesthetic enhancements both inside and outside the vehicle. Safety is paramount in the Lexus LBX, which comes equipped with the latest generation Lexus Safety System Plus. It provides an extensive array of active safety and driver assistance features, including a pre-collision system with intersection turn assist, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane tracing assist, lane keep assist. Additional features like a blind spot monitor and a driver monitor add to the LBX's commitment to safety. The 2024 Lexus LBX sets a new benchmark in the compact crossover segment. Its combination of bold design, refined luxury, personalized options, impressive performance, and cutting-edge technology makes it an enticing option for those seeking a distinctive, future-ready vehicle. As Lexus continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design and technology, the LBX is yet another testament to their commitment to excellence, sustainability, and superior customer experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.